or you don't have the skills for Fiverr, I'm going to put your mind at ease, because there are tons of things that you can still offer, even if you don't have a bunch of skills like technical skills or writing or typing or whatever. So I just wanted to quickly show you. We're here on the Fiverr homepage, and let's go over to fun and lifestyle. This category is kind of like the category for people that don't have skills, but you can still make money and you can still offer gigs. So let's just go into your message on ... This is probably one of the simplest gigs you could ever offer. You can see women are very popular. You can be a model for someone. You can paint someone's logo on your body. You know, I'm just giving you guys ideas. Like, these are some crazy things, but at the same time, you know, if you're pretty, you got a nice face, you can be someone's model for their product or their service or their company. There's a unique one. I will print custom vinyl stickers. Like, this is probably an actual print shop, right? Alien print shop. And this is just something that they can offer very cheap and affordable, and it's a great like front end for them. So there's one thing. We will be your male and female models, you know, or couple models. That's a new one. I will be your full body model. I will put your logo on different places. That's kind of like a graphic service. There's one. I will fly my drone to your message on the beach. So that's a kind of cool one I'd never seen before. Here are some of those funny ones. Like, I will sing a birthday message. I will write a message somewhere. Like, these are, you know, they're unique, but none of these are like, there you go, I will eat a banana with your message on it. Look, she's got 95 reviews. That's kind of crazy for something just like, it's silly, right? It's almost like, what? Why would people pay for that? But they do, and she's gotten a ton of reviews. I will hold your sign or message. So this is just to give you some ideas. Let's go out. Let's find another category quickly. Let's go health, nutrition, fitness. Let's see what they got. So, writing a health article, be a professional fitness model, create a custom full HD video cooking recipe. That's cool. Be a testimonial video for people. That is a hot service. People are always in need of more testimonials. I'll be your female video fitness workout or sports gym model. So that's a really popular service. The fitness videos. Again, anything that is going to add value to someone's life, especially if they can use it in their business. So, you know, just get creative. Maybe you have a collection of videos, or maybe you have a collection of quotes or something that you've already made. You can sell that. You know, here's I will design 50 wellness quotes. And this is so easy, you guys. Like, there's so many online programs now where you can make quotes and easily edit digital photos like this. So it's just, I want to give you guys some ideas of unique things that you can do. You know, even if you don't have expertise, there's a lot of things that you can still do. Where's another one? Online lessons. I don't think I've looked in this one before. Okay, so yeah, these are like people that have specialty, you know, certain knowledge and things. Like, I will help you in math, algebra. That's cool. Yeah, a lot of math services in this category. I've actually never looked inside here before. And then arts and crafts. Like there's just use your imagination, get creative. Think about like I said before, think about what's close at hand. What assets do you have that you can easily within 5-10 minutes, just divvy out some services that'll help people. Give you 5 interior design ideas for your room. There, boom, there you go. And that's a great like front end thing for someone who's like an interior designer or something. That's awesome. There's a very unique one. I will give my expert second opinion on any radiology scan, MRI or any thing like that. That's very interesting. So there's a lot of things here you can offer. I will send you 30 origami hearts whenever you want or wherever you want. 45 orders for that, So it's just like, what can you do? What can you do and how can you make it quick and easy to deliver? And if you can do that, then you've got yourself some gigs. So, I mean, it probably the simplest offer that you can do is holding a sign for someone with their company or their logo or their business on it, or, painting your face or your hand or something on yourself, or being someone's model or doing a review. Those are probably some of the quickest and easiest services that you can offer that don't really require any skills or knowledge or know-how. The other ones I would recommend is like app reviews. Those are huge, and those don't require any specialty knowledge or anything like that. So we're all humans. We're able to, read and write and leave reviews for people. And even if you can't read or write, you can speak and you can offer your expertise like that. And even if you can't speak, you can take a picture with something. So there's something for everyone on Fiverr, even if you don't have skills. And I hope that I've just shown you that with the very few gigs that I've showed you here. You can come inside here and play around in this section, and there's a ton of stuff. You could just be laughing all day, even with some of the pranks and stunts and viral video things that they offer on here. It's pretty crazy. So I just wanted to give you guys a few ideas. There's no need to worry if you don't think that you have any type of specialty skills. You do. Everything can be utilized in some way. So just find a way of being valuable, even if it's leaving a review for someone. That is value. So with that being said, let's move on to the next video, and we will dive even deeper in getting you and making you a top seller on Fiverr.